Hi, welcome to my channel once again. I am Mrs. Ezine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remember what you have read using mind maps. Okay, so I know a lot of students struggle after reading. They probably forget what they read, and mind map is a very interesting way and a very useful way of remembering and understanding what you have read. Okay, so the first step is to identify the tool you are going to use. You can either do it manually or you use apps, mind map apps, and I'm going to be using Xmind. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and download the app. So I'm going to click on it right here on my phone, and for the tutorial for today, I'm going to be showing you what we are going to be remembering to read, and it's this article from World Health Organization on depression or depressive disorder. So let's just quickly go through it, and you'll see how long it is. So I want to just teach you how to remember the key elements in this article. So going back to our mind map, what you want to do is click the plus button, go to quick entry, and just type in the word depression. Okay, depression there, and it will quickly create the mind map for you. Let me just move that here. So we have the word depression. So what you're going to do next is go back to the article or your textbook you want to remember and quickly read through it. Okay, you can't create mind maps without effectively reading through it. So I've already read this article, and next you're going to identify the key subtopics, because the major topic is depression, of course, and the subtopics are usually, you can start with the subheadings, okay, like symptoms, patterns, and contributing factors, and the rest. So to make this easy, when it comes to diseases, there's usually already a unique pattern of describing the disease. So you want to start by clicking on the topic itself and go to this link icon, and just go ahead to type in the word definition. Okay, you want to start by typing definition. That is the very first one we are going to create. That's it, definition. That's the first subtopic, and if you click on it, the next one we are going to be looking at the epidemiology. And I told you there's a unique way of writing diseases. Okay, so epidemiology. Now you can go ahead to write all the subtopics that you are going to be linking to the main topic. Okay, just to show you one more time, you click the main topic and click this link button here, and then you can go to your article and copy and paste, or you can type out what you want. Okay, so that's copy. Just come back and enter and paste it there, or type. Okay, I would have said paste as text, so you can have, so that's it. You have the 6 of them, 8 of them, 8 of your subtopics there. So the next thing you're going to do is that you begin to, branch it out. So what's the definition? That's what you're going to do. So you press this link button. Now mind you, you can branch out as you type each one, or you first enter all the subtopics before you now branch out into the subtopics. So what's the definition of depression? So you are going to go back to your article and scroll back up to the definition. Remember, you're not going to write everything, just pick little words. Okay, so I'm going to pick here that it involves a depressed mood or loss of pleasure for a long period of time. Copy that and come back here and paste as plain text, and I'll click that I'm done, and you see it there. Now you can go to epidemiology and do the same. Just click on that, then go back and look for the epidemiology. I have here an estimated 3.8% of the population, including 5% adults. So what you want to avoid when creating mind maps is actually overwriting or over typing. Just put what is necessary. Just little points, cues that will help you to remember. Okay, make sure that if you want to branch out, just click the thing you want to branch out and insert. So you keep doing that till you get what you want. So now let me show you how to branch out from the branches that you have already made. Okay, so you just click on, for example, the types of depression is broken into two: severity and patterns. Okay, so you come to severity and just enter it like you normally would, and that's that, and you enter mild, click done, and it enters there. So you go back and click severity and click the next thing you want to enter. Okay, so you see I keep going back to the article and picking the things that I need and coming back to paste them on my mind map. Okay, that's what you keep doing. If you're using hand to do this, it's going to be you writing. Okay, I'm a bit slow because I'm showing you how to do it. If not, I will be so fast. And so I am done adding all the notes that I need to add. Okay, and so you have the whole article in a mind map format. So another thing I'm going to show you is that, remember I said it's just points you're going to be putting, but if you want to expatiate on the points, what you're going to do is, let us pick for example the medication, the treatment part, and how you are going to add a note to it. Okay, so the notes we are going to add, if you go back to the article, it's antidepressants should not be used for treating children. Okay, so that we'll remember that although we use medications to treat depression, it should not be used on children according to WHO. So I'm going to click on treatment, and I'm going to click on this plus sign and click on notes. That is why I love using apps. Okay, so you can see that here, and if you go back, you will see that icon there. Now you can go ahead to click anything you want to add, whether it's camera or a label or a link or an attachment, so that it can help you to remember that. So the next thing I'm going to teach you now, it's, if you don't like this color, you can actually change the format. Okay, and you can change the shape as well. So I can pick the shape, and you see that it has changed to another shape if you prefer this kind of shape, but this looks somehow, so I'm going to pick another one. I can go back and change the color, go back to rainbow, and I like colored format. So you have this other one here, and you have everything at once. So if you zoom in, you can actually see the definition, the epidemiology, the types, and subtopics as well. So you can see that we have been able to summarize this whole article, okay, in a very beautiful format for easier understanding using mind maps. And of course, if you easily understand something, it will be easy for you to remember what you have read. Okay, so I don't need to go through that again. I just have to look at my mind map. So the next step to remembering what you have read after you draw your mind map is to actually redraw it by yourself without looking at the article or your former mind map. In that way, you'll be able to recall the information you want to remember. Okay, this helps your brain to interpret the information better, and by the time you look at it again and again and draw it by yourself consistently, rather, you'll be able to remember each one. And if they give you a question on depression, any question relating to depression, you can explain it using this mind map. Not that you draw the mind map in exam, but just recall it from memory, how it looks, and saying red is for definition and how to define it, epidemiology, and the rest. So mind maps are not just to be used alone, but to be used in combination with other techniques like active recall and spaced repetition. So I really hope this video has helped you to know how to use mind maps, and if you have any questions, do let me know. You can use your hand as well to do this, but I suggest using this and using your hand as well. That's when you want to redraw it for better memory retention. So thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.